Hello everyone, welcome again to my new video of VIRTUSA placement coding questions. So today in this video we are going to discuss about a special Fibonacci series. This is the most important questions of a special Fibonacci series. Previously you have might seen the simple Fibonacci series, and now in this video we are going to discuss the advanced version of Fibonacci series. So first we should know what is Fibonacci series means. Fibonacci series is calculated as the sum of previous two terms. In order to find the next term in simple Fibonacci series, we have to calculate the sum of previous two terms. For example, if we have to find the simple Fibonacci series up to 5 terms, then the series will be starting from 0. The next term will be 1, and then next term will be 0 plus 1. Then next term will be 1 plus 1. 2, and next term will be 1 plus 2 3. So this will be the first 5 terms of simple Fibonacci series. So in this video we are going to calculate the special Fibonacci series. So here is the questions. Here is the question to find the special Fibonacci series. So you can see here is the formula is used to calculate the special Fibonacci series. Now we are moving to the coding part of these questions. So first I will run this program, and then I will explain step by step execution of the program. As you can see here, I have written this program. Now I am going to run this program. So when I run this program, it is showing a message that is enter the value of n. So we have to enter the value of n up to which terms we want to calculate the special Fibonacci series. So I have entered here 4, and then you can see here the result is 29. So how the result came means, now I am going to explain each step of this program, how the output will 29 will come. So I have copied this program and now pasted it here. Now I am going to explain each step of this program. So first I have to take the user input. So I have imported a scanner class from java.util package. Now I have created a public class that is a special Fibo, and I have declared a main method. So main method is starting point of a Java program. So every Java program should start with a main method. So I have declared the main method. Now I have created a scanner object for the scanner class to take the user input. Now I have displayed a message, enter the value of n, and I have declared a variable name n of integer type to store the n value. Now I have declared a result n variable to store the final output of the special Fibonacci series. And I have called the method calculate special Fibonacci with the parameter n. At last I have displayed the result. Now I have closed the scanner class. I have closed. Now previously I have called that user defined method calculate special Fibonacci. Now I have to create that method. So here I have created that method calculate special Fibonacci of private static type. I have created. So this line defines a private method named calculate special Fibonacci, and it will take parameter integer n, and it will return integer n. Now I have declared a if block. So this block checks if n is 0 or n is 1. In both the cases it will return n. Now I have declared an array of name FIB that will store Fibonacci sequence values up to n. Okay, so by default in Java programming, the index will be start with 0, and then next index will be 1. So I have initialized the 0th index with 1, and the next index with 1 also. So next I have created a for loop, and this for loop will start from 2 and it will run up to n. So basically this loop calculates the Fibonacci sequence for elements starting from 2 up to n using the given formula. So this is the formula is used to calculate the special Fibonacci series. As I have shown here, you can see here is the formula given. So this formula is used to calculate the special Fibonacci series. So inside the for loop, I have written this formula to calculate the special Fibonacci series. After the calculation of the special Fibonacci series, the final output will be shown here as the nth terms. So first I have created a for loop starting from 2, and it will run up to n. Then I have declared formula to calculate Fibonacci series, and after the calculation, Fibonacci value at the nth index will be shown here. So now I am going to explain how we got the answer 29. As you can see here, after running the program, okay, if I give the value 4, then we got the result 29. So I will now explain how we got the output 29. Here you can see here index will by default start from 0th index then 1. So we have to find the four terms. Up to four terms we have to find the special Fibonacci series. So four terms we have to find. First term will be 0 and 1. Then Fibonacci series, special Fibonacci series is calculated by using the sum of squares of previous two terms. So next term will be 0 square plus 1 square, that is 1. Then next term will be 1 square plus 1 square, that is 2. Then next term will be 1 square plus 2 square, that is 1 plus 4, that is 5. And the next term will be 2 square plus 5 square, that is 4 plus 25, that is 29. So we got the answer 29. I hope you understand how we got the answer 29. So basically the main difference between a special Fibonacci series or simple Fibonacci series is that in a simple Fibonacci series we have to calculate the sum of previous two terms, and in the special Fibonacci series it will calculate the sum of squares of previous two terms. So I hope you understand how we got the 29 answer. Still we don't understand anything, repeat this video and watch again. And if you want to if you want that code, ping me in the comment, I will share the code. And thank you for this video, and see you in the next video with more important questions of VIRTUSA online coding. And this video will be, and also I want to say that this video will be more important and more useful for that student who are preparing for the placement, either offline or online. This is the most common question asked during the placement, so you need to prepare and understand everything. I have explained each step by step process how the special Fibonacci series is working. So still if you have any doubt, you can watch this video again. So thank you for this video, see you in the next video.